sight. A Cummins, a Mustang, a Weston inside of a Mustang. But for Weston, this is a Tuesday.
Yeah, you're right. Only 52% of you guys are subscribed to the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's change that. All right, let's see if this old Cummins fits in this little itty bitty car. We might need a sledgehammer, a very big sledgehammer. Oh, I got all kinds of things to step over. Dun, 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 dun. All right, guys, since the last time you've seen this car, we've done a couple things to it. First off, we removed the exhaust. We ain't gonna need that where we're going. Hood stack life. We have done a little bit of a modification to the cowl, which by modification, I mean we took a Sawzall and cut out as much as we could without actually cutting a hole in the firewall. And we took off the windshield wipers because you know, we ain't gonna need windshield wipers where we're going. I think this 1,300-pound diesel engine is ready to go into the little car. Now, before I say much more, you might be wondering, why would you put a 1,300-pound engine into a car that makes 160 horsepower? It's not gonna be 160 horsepower. That is where our big box of power parts come in. And it's kind of fitting that it's called power parts because they come from power-driven diesel. And let me say, every person I've told about this project has either laughed at me or like, okay, sure, you're actually gonna build that. I called power-driven and they're like, hell yeah, sounds like a good idea. What do you need? We are gonna get together and we're gonna build something awesome. So we've got a lot of go fast parts first, and then we'll go get our big box of power.
Move that block out of the way.
Somebody that was skinnier wouldn't be able to do something like that. Come on in. Wait, you're a shitty driver.
What'd I do?
You just hit the car.
You hit the car.
Oh, I did. That's why I couldn't put
Like you donked it.
No, hold up. Don't let it down here.
Why not?
You got back up one more. You're still up against the cow.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Yeah, it is.
Where did you learn how to drive, sir?
I'm the operator here.
All right, operate it. If you drop it. This lift is not very happy. All right, come on in. God dang, you're a bad driver.
No, I'm not. I made it in the hole.
Waylon, what?
You're hitting stuff over here, guys. You make us look like a bunch of amateurs.
We're just.
Hey, we never said we was professionals. You just don't have the right finesse.
Move the car up.
Am I in? Come on, get in there. Here, look at this. Look, this is how professionals really do it. We got a pair of vice grips on our jack to handle it. Look at that. That is precision. Hold on,
we gotta go.
Now let's just very gently drop it in. Watch your fingers. We got it. Have you ever seen a 12-valve Cummins put into a Mustang with that much finesse? Yeah, have you ever seen one in general? Like, we're winning by default here, guys.
I have.
Mom!
I don't need that on me. Come on. I might be on a most wanted. No!
What are you doing, Mom?
I came to see my baby. Get out of here. No. Go. No. What are you doing? Get out of here. No. Oh, come here. I want to tell you.
No, I ain't gonna come there.
No, I just want to tell you how much I love ya.
You're so full of it. You got them long...
I just want to say I love ya. I love you. You a hot tamale.
I'm the thing that the weatherman stands in front of for the morning broadcast. Now, as we see here, we've got a weather system moving across the nipple down to the belly button. All right, Mom went ahead and left. She didn't want to stay around here, and my battery is just dying on the camera, so let's do this quick. The engine is in the car. Everything's actually fitting up pretty well. The oil pan clears the K-member, and we've got, oh, yes, that's what I needed, on a penal measuring device. We've got about 4.5 inches to the firewall. Now, I'd like to take and try to push this engine on further back, but I don't know how much the transmission's gonna allow. All right, guys, it is official. The Cummins is officially expertly cataloged itself into the Mustang. Look at this. Look at that perfection. It's almost like we knew what we was doing. It's definitely not the case, but it's almost like we did. So we got a couple inches to spare down there. We got a whole lot of inches to spare down there by the oil pan. And if you wouldn't even believe it, the transmission's not even hitting the tunnel. It was almost like Ford designed this Mustang to have 12 valves put in it. I'm not going to say it was that easy. We did have a lot of like cussing and, you know, very unique words while we was getting it in there, but we did get it in there. What we need to figure out now is we need to make some motor mounts, which right there's a purchase for the factory EcoBoost. We'll just come up there straight to the side of the block of the 12 valve. We probably need to put some rubber isolators on it though, that way we don't have a whole lot of engine vibration into the car. We're gonna have a lot because you know it's a 12 valve Cummins, but we need to try to cut down on it as much as we can. Need to figure out how to make some motor mounts. We're gonna have to get some metal and some rubber isolators for that. And then we'll have to make a transmission cross member. And then the engine will be officially in there. Then we'll have to worry about fuel system, transmission drive line, all of that. Now this is not the final time it's going in there. Obviously we have to pull it back out and we've got to put all of our power parts on it that's in the box. So I guess it's about time we go get that big box of power, huh? I will be back, my friend. Don't worry, I am bringing supplies for you to feel better, for you to feel more powerful.
Whoa.
It's official! The box has landed! Look at that. Look at that, Garrett. Come here. Look. Power-driven diesel. I wonder what all the awesome things can be in here. Flux capacitor, donkey power adder, Wu-Tang war whistles. They gave me very specific instructions not to open this box with a chainsaw. So that means I probably better go get the chainsaw. Huh? We're always rule breakers. So, the guys over at Power Driven said, Weston, we know how you do things over there. Do not bring the chainsaw out to open our crate. And I'm like, okay, I won't. But I got an awesome picture of me with a chainsaw in front of their crate, and we'll post it on Instagram and see if they got anything to say about it. If not, it'll be a wasted opportunity. If so, it'll be funny, so we'll be good. And then when they watch the video and figure out I really did chainsaw it open, they're really gonna have a cow, huh? Deals. All right, let's stop messing around and get this box open. Now, inside this box is close to $10,000 worth of parts for our Mustang. And let me just tell you, it's gonna look freaking amazing. All right, let me go find a bit real quick. This is the moment of truth. Are you ready? Oh my God!
They gave us a ratchet strap.
They did. They gave us a ratchet strap. Look at that. Power-driven diesel. Okay, there's our transmission. What is this? Show you first. Look, they sent us a dinner plate. God dang, that's a heavy dinner plate. It's got holes in it too. How do you expect me to eat off this, guys?
They knew you could eat a lot of food, so they sent you a big one.
And they knew I was on a diet, so they put holes in it so some of the food could escape. Thanks, guys. I never thought about it that way. I appreciate that.
Enough.
What was that?
Gave us a whole bunch of oil.
They gave us oil. Power-driven diesel transmission fluid.
It has a turbo on it.
We don't have to use that cheap Sam's Club stuff no more.
How many cases of that they left us?
I don't know. They said there's enough to fill this transmission up.
There's
That's
another.
enough, and that's another case of oil.
There we go.
Here. You got,
Let's see where it's at, Weston.
hold on, let me grab the knife.
Oh no, that's too big.
Listen. Hold on. Gotta stop the bar.
Wow.
What? That
just
worked
used it.
slicker than butter, did it not? Now you're breaking the box. Oh! Here's some paperwork. Governor springs. What are those? Delivery valves. Waylon's so excited. He's like, what is that? Well, let's look at this.
What are those? Injectors?
Don't rip the box. Injectors. Woo, them are the big injectors. All right, let's set this inside.
Ciao. Whoa.
Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. All right, guys, we went in and got the crate put inside because it looked like it was getting ready to rain on us, and then, yeah, it stopped raining. Damn you, Kansas weather. It always does that. It likes to confuse us is what it likes to do. But if you ever knew what was fully happening in Kansas, then you must be psychic or something. Anyway, the one thing we didn't go over inside this box is that big, beautiful red transmission down there. And let me tell you about it. That is a 47RE. It's got some more electrical stuff than our transmission that's already on the back of our Cummins has. But this one here is supposedly unbreakable. It got billet input shaft, triple disc converter. There's a lot of fancy stuff in this transmission. You see what we got? Oh. Are you okay, Cameron? Are you good? You guys good? I gotta give it to you, Cannon. You have taken a beating and kept on ticking. You are a good camera. Good for you. I won't drop you no more, I promise. I'm probably gonna break that promise, but to be honest. Anyway, I know, it's amazing. It actually fits. I'm really just standing here. I gotta look at it. It looks so good. All right, so probably what we're gonna do next is go ahead and pull this engine out, get it ready to go back in for the final time. We'll reseal it, paint it, all the small stuff you need to do while you got an engine out. And then we'll start taking all of our new parts and our custom parts and start throwing it on this car, expertly cataloging this thing together and building something awesome. I'm absolutely stoked for this. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be insane. Guys, if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications on and follow me over on Instagram, if you wouldn't mind. And you know what? I will see you guys next time.